What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I have an invincibility glitch. Allows you literally to kill online players. You can see us here in the gameplay killing pedestrians, and police can't even kill us. We have 5 stars right now, and look at my health. Look at my health. But in this glitch, I'm going to show you guys how you can do exactly what I'm doing in the gameplay. I do not recommend you to do this directly for yourself, but besides the point, I'm going to show you guys how you can do this glitch. I don't know how long it's going to be around. It's pretty OP, but do it at your own risk. It's extremely easy. Literally, it takes 30 seconds to do. But please stick through the entire video. I usually got a lot to say. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I found out 94% of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel. Literally 94% of you guys aren't subscribed. So all my GTA glitches work. Sometimes they're time sensitive, so just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and bell icon. Oh, I just headbutted that guy. What the? But besides the point, all my glitches work. You just gotta do them in a time sensitive manner. Like right now, this is working. Guaranteed it could be patched tomorrow. So do them fast as you can. Hit that like button if it works for you guys. Comment glitch gang down below if you are part of the community. But other than that, we're gonna get into this glitch. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hello. All you guys are going to do is you are going to have to find a new session after you get all the settings set up. So what you're first going to go ahead and do is, right now I have all these blue jobs on my map. You may not have them, but if you do, you need to go down to hide options, jobs, and turn them all off. And then from here, you want to pull up options, go over to online, go over to options. And right here, all you gotta want to make sure you do is make sure your matchmaking is on closed, allow spectators is off, and join next mode from spectator box is on don't join. And then you also want to make sure remain host after next job vote screen is off. And once you have all of that set up, you are ready to go. From here, just go ahead and change your outfit. Let's go ahead and change my outfit real quick. From here, you're just going to go ahead and hit find new session. While we're up in the clouds, guys, if you like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I was looking at my analytics last night. 94% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. We're coming down out of the clouds now. We're going to be right by the arena, right where we were last. And just go ahead and make sure you pull up your options and check the settings. Make sure they're the same. Sometimes they won't save. If you guys do think that you know this glitch, big shout out to Gravesite. That's where I had seen this glitch. Is register yourself as a CEO. Okay. Make sure you wait for the screen to go by. You can already hear people killing each other. So then all you're going to do is walk up now. You'll see the right on the spectator box. I gotta do this quick. See, that's why we need God mode, guys. That's straight up why we need God mode. Here we go. Do this at your own risk, guys. I am not using this glitch to kill people. If anything, as you saw in the intro, I was using this glitch to use the game and kind of have fun with what we could all do with the game itself. But do this at your own risk. I don't think you should be using this glitch to kill people, just because it's kind of breaking the game. I'm gonna head right up to the arena and we're gonna show this glitch. All right, we are showing right up at the arena again. Now that we have people off of, what you guys want to do though is go ahead and call Ron real quick. I'm just gonna do that because we have to wait for the job. And then head to the ticket booth right at the arena. I don't even think you have to have the arena to use the ticket booth, but I'm not sure about that. And here's where I am roughly, but it's gonna be right up over here. And you can use any one of these ticket booths. It doesn't matter which one. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one right here. First one next to that, and we have the job from Ron. As you guys see, I have right on the spectator box right there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the job and start the job from Ron. This glitch doesn't always work, so you just kind of got to refine it. Sometimes what I was doing was I was spamming right on the D-pad when I accepted the job from Ron, and that ended up working a little bit better. But from here, all you're gonna do is back out of the job and spam right on the D-pad. When you back out of the job, spam right on the D-pad till you see that black screen. Once you see the black screen, stop spamming right on the D-pad, and you should be right here. And now watch, I'm gonna hit A, and if it takes you into the job right there, then you need to restart the glitch. It did not work.
Okay, 你好，吴角。Fucking Like, what? What? I can legit just jump off. I can just free fall and not die. It just fucking goes straight onto the ground. That's fucking great.
But see, I'm standing right here. I am now in God mode. Watch. Normally that should have killed me. That didn't even take down my health. That was just because I had health lower from earlier. So that's literally how you become invincible in GTA. Like, it's actually kind of insane. But if you guys did like this video, please drop a like. I'm trying to come out with more content, so let me know. Are you guys liking these types of videos? I want to make some Dayz videos too. I could also make modded outfit glitch videos. Like, look at my ankles right now. I don't even got ankles, bruh. But thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know how you guys use this glitch. Send me some clips on my Instagram down in the description. That's my gaming Instagram. You can send me clips of funny stuff you do in GTA, and I may make a video on that. I don't know. I want to make a community, guys. Let's see what we can do. Other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.